So how can you make 1/2 of a cup if you only have measuring spoons? So you don't have your 1/2 cup measure. How do you figure out how to measure 1/2 cup? It's actually pretty easy. Maybe the easiest way is just to go into the fridge, grab a stick of butter, and look on the side, because one stick of butter is a 1/2 cup. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tablespoons. So a 1/2 cup of butter is 8 tablespoons of butter, right there on the side of your butter here in the US at least. But let's do it the math way now. So if 1 cup is 16 tablespoons, TBSP, and that's just something you memorize, 1/2 of a cup, we're just going to divide this by 2. So 16 divided by 2, that equals 8. So 1/2 of a cup, that's that 8 tablespoons. And we saw that right on our stick of butter. What if you want teaspoons though? Turns out that 1 cup is equal to 48 teaspoons, so TSP. So we just divide this by 2 if we want a 1/2 cup, and 48 divided by 2, that equals 24 teaspoons. So if you want 1/2 cup, take 24 teaspoons. That's really all there is to it. 1 cup is 16 tablespoons, 1/2 cup is 8 tablespoons. Then we just did our teaspoons. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.